Welcome the our channel. Today we how to download BearTax for pulling transaction history, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download BearTax for pulling your transaction history, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official BearTax website URL. Press enter to navigate to the BearTax homepage. Look for a button or link that says download or get. You may be directed to a page where you can select your operating system. Choose the appropriate option for your device, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. Once you've made your selection, click the download link. The BearTax installer will begin downloading to your computer. Wait for the download to complete before locating the downloaded file. Open your Downloads folder or the designated location for downloaded files. Find the BearTax installer file, which is usually named something like beartaxsetup.exe or beartax.dmg. Double-click follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions to continue. Choose your preferred installation location if prompted. Once the installation is complete, locate the BearTax application in your Applications folder or on your desktop. Open the BearTax application to begin setting up your account. Log in or create a new account using your email address and a secure password. After logging in, look for an option to import or pull transaction history. Select the appropriate feature to connect to your transaction sources, such as exchanges or wallets. Follow the prompts to authorize BearTax to access your transaction data. Once connected, BearTax will automatically pull in your transaction history for processing. Review the imported transactions for accuracy and ensure everything is in order. You are now ready to use BearTax for your tax reporting needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.